Okay, so I kind of got distracted from the rear arch. It all needs done anyway before I go to paint, but the sunroof wasn't working whatsoever whenever I first got the car. If anybody is familiar with the Capri sunroof, they will know that they are basically witchcraft. It takes far too long to try and work it out, and most people just don't bother trying to fix them. What I can see with this one is it's just loose, everything's out of shape. All I've done, by the way, is take out the 3 nuts on each side, which then in turn go into those 3 holes there. So I'm hoping this is fairly simple to remember how to put together, because otherwise I'm going to be left with a permanent convertible. So if you bear with me, I'm going to try and work this out. I think that these guides here, the plastic guides, I think that those have to go down into that channel, and that's potentially why the whole thing's sloppy. So I'm going to try and take these out and see if I can't get the guides to slide back down into those tracks again. I think I need to wind it forward on the cable. Okay. So that's side down in. Both sides now in the guide, so try and get these put back into place. As for adjusting this thing, I have no idea what I'm doing, so it could work, it might not work, most likely the latter. And I'm presuming these clamp tight, again I don't know. Nope, I've done that wrong. Needs to go inside the slider. Like so. And I think, by the looks of the wear marks on this, I think that sits inside that track then, like that in theory. In my case, whenever I got this car, both of these were sitting out of the tracks, so I'm just guessing everything, but... Okay, so, I don't know will this work without the roof in. So that's it dropping down. That's it putting, that's a tilt mode, I think. I think I'll just put the panel in because everything's not staying lined up for me the way I'd like it to. Okay. Trying to get everything lined up again is going to be good, but I'm not too far away from it there. Right, put 2 out of the 3 on each side. Okay, so it's pulling down nicely. Need a helping hand, I wonder. Don't want to be too rough with it, but at the same time, if it hasn't been used in years, it's really sticky. Feels like it's hitting a dead end somewhere. Feels like something's physically stopping it from going back, but the sunroof panel itself seems loose. Okay, much later, I found the cause of the problem. Where the sunroof cable end attaches to the sunroof cassette and underneath was bent, presumably because it wasn't in right the first time, and that was causing it to hit the roof skin on the way past and stopping it from going. So, in theory now, it's going the whole way back. And it's tilting. I'm going to call it a success. It's scraping along here, so I'm going to do a wee bit more digging. It's not very deep, the scrape, it's not actually gouging it at all, it's just touching it no more. So I'm going to have to do a wee bit of digging to see what it's catching on and how to fix that. It's only whenever you're closing it that it's pushing up on it, so unless there's wear in the guide rails or something, I don't know. But I'll have a wee look at it here and hopefully it's easy enough sorted. For now, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah.